welcome back to another Twitter Dub tutorial. So this one is about warming up mass accounts. One of the first things that I tend to do, I find it important for me because it helps me to keep a track of accounts and what they're doing, is we click on here and get the accounts open. I'll highlight 3 of them and then click. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the tags. Now the tags are quite important if you want to keep track of what a particular group of accounts are doing. Let's say one group's doing Ethereum, one group's doing crypto, the other one's following footballers, etc. So we right click on this and we go up to the custom tokens. I'm going to lose it on this one. Account tags, which is at the very top. We can't quite see that, but let's just pull this down a bit. Right click at the bottom. Can we see account tags? No, we can't see a tag. Okay. Well, it's at the top. You'll see this here. We want to delete existing and add them. So here we are. Well, this is going to be crypto. And I'm going to click OK. And this is going to add the account tags here, as you can see. So if I was going to do some more, I would just obviously deselect those, highlight the others, click, right click, account tags. And the way that this works is that if you have, say, like 500 accounts on here and you only want to find the crypto ones and you only want to work on the crypto ones, then you would come down to the bottom and you would hit apply and you would type in, so make sure you keep a record of it, of each tag. Oh, can't spell today. I can't spell any day, but not particular. And we're going to filter these in, and that'll leave the 3 crypto ones that we want to deal with. So we can clear that, brings them all back. Okay, the next thing we want to do when we're warming up accounts is we're going to select all of them, hit the tick button, tick box, highlight them all, and I'm going to right click and then I'm going to change, bulk change all the daily limit incrementations. Well, it says there bulk set daily limit increments, and we're going to open all of them. At the moment, message retweets doesn't really matter, but unlike the rest of them are. So to warm up and to be absolutely certain you don't, well, I'm not saying absolutely certain, X is so random, but to get the best chance of warming up, what I tend to do is I tend to add 1 to each one and increment by 1 per day. But I'm not going to run every account every day, because that, again, is another flag. If you want to obviously pass the Turing test with X, you need to randomize everything as much as possible. So all of these now will have these daily changes, limits, and increments. Save. That's all updated. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to change all of this group's days and hours when they work. So we're going to bulk update the working hours, which is this one. And in here you can see, you can do this, but you're better off just using the display one here. I'm going to say Monday and Thursday, they don't do anything. Now, this is important for mother accounts more than anything, because let's say you want to highlight, you want to target UK, and the UK is probably between, let's say, 6 o'clock and 9-10 o'clock at night is the most used hours. So in this, you would start at 6 o'clock and you'd finish at 10 o'clock. And so you'd save that. And this will update all these accounts at the same time. And this is why tags are important. Because if you just want these to run on certain days and at certain hours, obviously you do the same again. You apply the tag, you create the tag, and you filter in. And then you can change that to different days, different hours, etc. We'll clear those tags and bring it back. So those two things are quite important. The next thing you want to do before we set up a promo, which is called a promo, which is this one here, for at least a week, you literally just want to do some liking. So we're going to select all of them, and I've done this in a previous video, but I recommend this. Change your working days. If you want it to run at any hour at any time, you can do that. You just add in 1 minute past midnight to 1 minute to midnight, and that will give you 24 hours working. It'll work 24 hours. So we're going to go to like, and we're going to do exactly the same as we did last time. We're going to highlight them all. We're going to bulk change working hours. Bulk update, spread them over hours. See, this is a long video. I'm not prepared. And I'm trying to remember where it is. It's here somewhere. Bulk, no. Bear with me, guys. It's been a long day. But it is here. Oh, shit. It's not there. It should be in here. I don't know why it's not. Oh, no, actually, I know why it's not. Because we're in the tweets. So we're going to hit the tweets. And I'm going to pause this. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to highlight them all. And I'm going to hit the delete button. Yep. And then I'm going to go back to, excuse me, like. And I'm just going to highlight, make sure that they're all ticked and like. That's fine. Send them over. Into the actions. Come on. Do it. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah. Add something like crypto. As a search. I'll go into the custom search, etc. in advanced, but that's all we need. We don't need. So I would say don't do any more than 2. Fluctuate by 1, which might give you 3 one day and 1 one day and 2 another day. Again, Turing test. Again, we're trying to fool the algorithm on X to think that we are actual humans, that these accounts are actual humans. So after we've done that, no repeat hours. Oh, yeah. We're going to actually, with this one, we're going to add 24 hours in as a repeat hour. And then we're going to hit like. And then we're going to go back to the actions. And then we're going to do what we always do, which is randomize over hours. And there it is. And this is obviously, there's enough in 1 hour to do it. And click and run your process. And that's literally what I would do for the first week. I would do that 1 week or even 2 weeks. Especially if they're mother accounts, and especially if they're handmade accounts and accounts you want to keep at the top of the stack and they're not the burners, I would use this technique for at least 2 weeks, just 3-4 days a week, and 1 to 3 likes of a subject. Anyway, that's how to start the warming up. The next video will be how to do the promos, find the keywords and the similar accounts, and then set this to run and start following, liking, etc., etc. Thanks a lot. Like and subscribe, please, and I will see you in the next video.